In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add an admin team member to Smartsheet step by step. This is perfect if you're collaborating with a team and need someone to have full control over a sheet or workspace, including sharing permissions and administrative access. Whether you're managing projects, operations, or client work, assigning the right admin access is critical. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Log in using the account that owns or manages the sheet or project where you want to add an admin team member. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sheet or project you're working on. You can do this from your Home tab, your Workspace list, or by searching for the sheet name at the top. Open the specific sheet where you want to manage access. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where you can control who has access to this sheet and what level of permission they have. This is where all collaboration settings live, so make sure you're in the correct sheet before moving forward. After clicking Share, you'll see options related to People and Workspace access. Click on Workspace to manage permissions at the Workspace level if the sheet is part of one. This allows you to add team members in a way that applies consistently across related sheets and assets. Now, in the Invite field, type in the name or email address of the person you want to add as an admin. Smartsheet will automatically detect existing users if they're already part of your organization, or it will prepare an invitation if they're new. Double-check the email address to avoid sending access to the wrong person. Once the name or email is entered, you'll see a permission drop-down. By default, this is usually set to Editor or Viewer. Click on the drop-down and choose Editor with sharing permissions first. This step ensures the user can collaborate and manage sharing before assigning full admin rights. Next, from the same permissions menu, select Admin. Admin access gives the user full control over the sheet, including managing collaborators, changing permissions, and handling structural changes. This level of access should only be given to trusted team members, so make sure this is intentional. After selecting Admin, review everything one more time. Confirm the correct email, confirm the permission level says Admin, and then click the Share button to finalize. Smartsheet will either immediately grant access or send an email invitation, depending on whether the user already has a Smartsheet account. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin team member to your Smartsheet sheet or workspace. They now have the ability to fully manage and collaborate on the project with you. Before you go, remember that managing permissions regularly is a good best practice, especially when team roles change. If this video saved you time, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.